Cubot is one of many small mobile phone manufacturers that offer attractive devices at very affordable prices. With an abundance of options already available, their rugged form factor lineup has been attracting a lot of interest over the years. This is the Cubot KingKong 8. This device is a rugged beast packed with an impressive set of features within its robust frame. Weighing 382 grams and having a thickness of 20mm, there is no doubt that this is a solid and heavy device. It is designed to withstand extreme conditions and demanding usage, making it an ideal choice for those who need a smartphone that can handle the rough and tumble of the great outdoors. With that said, let's unbox this guy and see what we're getting. The Cubot KingKong 8 is placed in a compact rectangular box that's quite minimalistic and appealing. In the box, the device is accompanied by a 9-volt charger, a USB Type-C cable, a screen protector, a SIM tray pin, and a very basic user manual. Now, the KingKong 8 smartphone is designed to be both rugged and practical. It measures 169.9 by 80.2 by 20mm. It has an IP68 and IP69K rating, which means it can resist dust and water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, making it the perfect choice for adventurers in challenging environments. The phone also features a powerful flashlight with 5,000 lumens. Now, this could be very useful in a variety of situations. The internal storage of the smartphone is an impressive 256GB, which is suitable for storing a large amount of data, such as photos, videos, and music. Furthermore, the storage can be expanded, which is useful features for users who need that more space. However, users have the choice between expanding the memory or using the dual SIM feature, which might be a limiting factor for some people. The smartphone's computing chip is a powerful combination of 4 Cortex A73 and 4 Cortex A53 cores. This provides excellent processing capabilities for the device. Additionally, it has access to a not too scarce working memory of 6GB, which is more than sufficient for most users. The Cubot KingKong 8 boasts a 6.53-inch screen, which, although not top-end, can benefit users with visual impairments or those who prefer larger text and icons for easy readability and overall navigation. The screen's resolution is 1612 by 720 pixels, which is by no means high by today's standards, but it can still provide a visually pleasing display experience. Even though it's an LCD panel, it's able to achieve a natural color calibration that's comparable to some of the best displays in the rugged smartphone market. The colors are true to life and there is no oversaturation, which is often seen in many consumer-grade devices. The Kong 8 has an octa-core CPU that provides sufficient performance for running resourceful intensive applications such as gaming, resulting in a smooth and pleasant user experience. The Mali G72 MP3 is capable of supporting high-resolution displays and delivers seamless graphics performance even at high resolutions. This enhances the viewing experience on devices with high-density screens. Even gameplay from the most challenging titles like PUBG, it is very smooth. I really do like it. The inclusion of an octa-core processor in the Kong 8 is noteworthy, especially since it is a mid-range smartphone. This processor is a perfect balance between power efficiency and performance, making it a great choice for a rugged smartphone. The octa-core architecture ensures that the device can handle various tasks with ease, from everyday multitasking to more demanding applications and gameplay. The 8's power doesn't struggle at all. Although it may not match the processing powers of a mid-range smartphone, it is more than capable of handling the demands of the average user. When the KingKong 8 underwent a benchmark test, it garnered an average of 210,000 to 230,000 points, indicating its ability to handle various tasks effectively. I must say that camera on the Cubot KingKong 8 is quite impressive. It boasts a 48 megapixel main sensor, which serves as the backbone of the camera's system. With this high resolution sensor, you can expect decent detailed photos that capture subjects quite well. Additionally, the f1.75 aperture combined with HDR+ processing produces somewhat good results. Pictures come out quite well, they're full of sharpness and overall contrast, and for a phone in this price range, range, I was quite surprised. In addition to the other cameras, there is also a macro lens included on this device. However, I must admit that its performance leaves something to be desired. When attempting to take close-up shots, the quality of the image produced by the macro camera is not really up to par with the other cameras on the device. Pictures come out okay, but they just don't hit it for me. Now, there is no doubt the Kong 8 stands out with its impressive 10,600 mAh battery capacity. It has an outstanding standby mode battery life of 1,251 hours, although it's unlikely you will ever leave your smartphone untouched for such a long time. But in normal usage, you can expect up to 76 hours of talk time and 42 hours of music playback. However, the device's video playback is where it really stands out. Although the official claim is 17 hours of video playback, I was able to stream videos continuously over Wi-Fi for 19 hours. Now, to me, I think that's pretty impressive. Typically, it takes less than 90 minutes to fully recharge the KingKong 8, making it a convenient option for users on the go. Now, as mentioned earlier, the smartphone boasts a unique feature, which is a dedicated flashlight button. Positioned on the side of the device, this button comes with an orange accent and offers quick access to the double LED flashlight located on the top of the phone. These powerful flashlights emit an impressive 5,000 lumens of brightness, making them a valuable tool in low light conditions. Just another great added feature for the great outdoors, adding a lot of practicality to this device. All in all, the Cubot KingKong 8 is a rugged smartphone that stands out in many aspects. With its unique features, strong build quality, and impressive performance, it's an excellent option for those who need a tough smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance or essential features. And it's also budget friendly. With that said, be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.